Hi, this is Derek Hubble from ARI. I'm going to show you how to decrease and increase the speed of your robot. First, at the top right side of your pendant, hit the function button. On the bottom left, you'll see a meter for your speed. If you hit the turtle, it'll decrease the speed. Rabbit will increase the speed. This is the overall speed of your program and your robot. Secondly, modify on the bottom right. You can select each step individually and speed up only that step. The same meter applies if you hit the turtle, it'll decrease the speed. Rabbit or bunny will increase the speed. After you selected the speed level you would like, save, OK. Additionally, this waiting time currently set at 20 milliseconds. You can set this to however much time you would like to delay before it goes to the next step. If you select 0, once this step is completed, it will move on to the next step immediately. This will also speed up your robot cycle time. So, show you again. To increase the speed or decrease the speed, turtle, rabbit, make sure you save, and you can back out. The settings that you change and modify will take effect on the next cycle.